What's up guys, it's me, Ethan, ETC. Today we'll be taking apart the Sog Terminus XR block. I'll show you how to disassemble it, how the axis style lock works too, and some tips about it. So first I want to get out is now the box clip screw is longer than the other one, so that will help you out. See? Okay, so I want to show you a tip. So I know the other versions, the CTS BDZ1 was the first generation of the Terminus XR. What I found out is some quality control, they thought this was the correct way. That's not the correct way. The correct way is to make sure it's on the other side. So let's say you want to have on the right side, the right side. Make sure it's on the left hole. And then if you want on the other side, same thing. Other side. If the knife is on the same side as it's supposed to be, that's wrong. It's supposed to be on the right side. Okay, so this side, like that. Okay, other side, like that. Okay. Okay. So begin on this side. Make sure all the screws up. Now the bar screws is T6, the pivot screw is a T8. And I stick my screwdriver, put it in the pivot hole, just push, and the other side will come out. And then take it out, take the blade, make sure not to cut yourself with it. Then here's the scales. Now just take like a small, like tweezers or something, take it out, place it under it, pull up, but at the same time make sure the finger's on the spring too, because if not, it might fly out. Here's the cover for it. Twist it up, then push it down, pull up on this liner. Now this has two pivots, well, washers. Put it down. Trying to take a picture of the extended view of the knife. Here's a backspace zoom. Take it out. Check this out. Actually, no, I'm gonna just leave it in and place it right here. Okay. On the other side, take it out. Place it right there. Take the cover. Take the pivot. Stop pin. Now the metal washer is hard to kind of get out. No, there's no pocket up in here because this shouldn't be. There is supposed to be a reason, but enough for the thumbnail. Okay, we hope I took the picture of it. If not, then crap. I just have to find a disassembly of it. Okay, so we're gonna get back to this reassembling it. So since this is the back side, I'm sorry, the back side, so the front side. Take it. Make sure to take the pivot, the cover, put it in there. Where is the spring? Where is the spring? Take it. Just put it on, let's hook it on. So basically it's like a hook basically. Take it, put it on, then push it to the hole. Now they always will come with grease. I took my grease off because there's really no point having grease there, to be honest. And now push it in, make sure it goes on, and then it'll slide. Then take the back spacer of the spacers of it and it's in. Take the tweezers, make sure the space washers is incorrectly, not incorrect. It's just incorrectly. Okay. Take the screws. Take the blue Loctite if you want. Put some on it. Oh my god, I hate when it does that. Why does it do that? Why, buddy? Why do you do that to me? Why? And you basically put it back on. Put the blue Loctite on the more blue. Not too much, like I said. Because too much will ruin the knife. No matter what. The only reason why I put really Loctite on is because so then he knows when the next time I really have to disassemble my knife and stuff, and I don't bring my tools with me, which I should, but I don't. Make sure it's in. Okay, it is in, and just take the pivot screw, push it in to D shape. So make sure that it slots in correctly, which it did. And take the stop pin on here. Put the silver washer in first, then the stainless steel washer. There's some drops of oil, whatever oil you use. Push it in. Well, for me, if it doesn't fit, I just slide back and push it in. Take the other one, put the washer onto the knife, then this one in the track. Put over it. Well, I mean, or you can just do that too. Put over it. Okay. Sometimes if the pivot screw doesn't go in all the way, just push it down and push it in. So then it does. And the cover. Well, no, first a spring. Then push it in. Then the cover. Then the scales over it. Then take those screws. Not too tight. Okay, then time for the pivot screw. Just go. Not too tight. Make sure action's good. No blade play. Might just tighten it a little bit, just a tiny bit more. Action is nice. Flipper action is good. No blade play, like I said. Blade centering is almost dead on. Favorite mode that I have. Time for the pocket clip. Make sure it's in the correct slot. So make sure the screw is covered and marked tight if you choose to use it. And this, wait, nope, it's the wrong side. I was about to say, why is it? There we go. Twist, 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 twist. For this one, you want make sure it's tight, so then the bucket never falls out. And that is the Sog Terminus XR disassembly video. And as you guys know, see you on the next video.